Have you ever looked at someone living the life you've always dreamed of, working from anywhere, earning more in a month than most people make in half a year, and thought, what do they know that I don't? What separates the people who seem to attract success effortlessly from those who keep grinding with no results? Maybe you've been hustling for years, trying side gigs, reading about investing, following gurus, but still can't break through that invisible wall keeping you stuck under the same income ceiling. So here's the question that's going to define your next year. What's the smartest path to earning $10,000 a month in 2026 without burning out? Selling your soul or relying on luck? Before we go deeper, if you're serious about transforming your financial life and you want to master the mindset, strategy, and discipline to achieve freedom, make sure you're subscribed to this channel right now, because what you're about to hear might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Now, let's start from the uncomfortable truth. Most people will never reach $10,000 a month. Not because they're not capable, not because they lack intelligence, but because they're chasing the wrong path. They chase trends instead of principles. They try to make money fast instead of learning how to build systems that print money consistently. They think income is the same as wealth, when in reality, it's discipline, focus, and leverage that create freedom. The smartest path to $10,000 a month in 2026 isn't about doing more. It's about doing better. It's about understanding leverage, how to make your time, skills, and capital work for you. The world has changed dramatically. AI, automation, remote work, and digital economies have rewritten the rules of money, but most people are still playing by the 2010 playbook. They're trading hours for dollars while others are building systems that run while they sleep. So here's the first mental shift. Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like an architect. Workers build with their hands. Architects design structures that last. Every dollar you earn should have a purpose. Every skill you develop should multiply your earning potential. Every hour you invest should build something that pays you back later. Let's break this down. Imagine you want to make $10,000 a month. That's $120,000 a year. To most people, that sounds impossible until you reverse engineer it. Let's say you sell a $500 product or service. You'd only need 20 sales a month. That's one sale every day and a half. Or, if you offer a $1,000 coaching package, you'd only need 10 clients per month. Or maybe you build a digital product, a course, software, or membership that earns $300 per user per month. You'd need just 34 people. The math isn't the problem. The problem is strategy. People fail because they're operating on emotion, not execution. They get motivated for a week, but never disciplined for a year. They want shortcuts instead of systems. But those who understand that wealth is built on repeatable, scalable systems, they win. They understand that the key is not working harder, it's working smarter on the right thing. And in 2026, the right thing means aligning with the direction the world is already moving. Automation, AI, content, and personal brand authority. The internet no longer rewards effort, it rewards value. You can't compete on price forever. Someone will always be cheaper. But no one can compete with your authenticity, your story, and your ability to solve real problems. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up one morning in 2026. You check your phone, and overnight while you slept, you earned $327 from an online course you built 6 months ago. Your calendar shows 2 new consulting calls booked automatically, and your YouTube video from last week is generating leads that feed into your system, all on autopilot. That's not fantasy. That's leverage. That's what happens when you stop being a participant in someone else's system and start building your own. But before we dive into how to do that, you need to understand the foundation. Your mindset about money is probably broken. From childhood, we were taught to think about money emotionally, not logically. We associate it with stress, scarcity, guilt, or even shame. We believe that hard work equals success. But if that were true, construction workers and nurses would be billionaires. The truth is that hard work only matters when applied to the right system. So what's the right mindset? It's understanding that money is a byproduct of value and leverage. The more value you create and the more people you reach with that value, the more you earn. But here's the kicker. You don't get paid for effort, you get paid for impact. Ask yourself, what can I do that creates massive impact for a specific group of people? Because when you identify that and then learn how to scale it through systems, you've cracked the code. Whether that's digital products, content creation, automation, or high-ticket services, the framework is the same. Create once, sell infinitely. Here's something few people understand. Wealth isn't made from intensity, It's made from consistency. You don't need to go viral once. You need to show up daily, strategically, for months. The 10,000-month goal isn't achieved by one big win. It's achieved by stacking small, repeatable wins. Every system, every video, every automation, every relationship compounds. But here's where most people sabotage themselves. They underestimate time and overestimate luck. They give up 3 feet from gold. They quit in month 3 because they don't see results, not realizing that results lag behind effort. The smartest path isn't fast. It's inevitable if you commit to the right process. So what's that process? It starts with clarity. You need to define your lane, what skill, what audience, what solution. Then you productize that skill, turn it into something scalable. Then you automate acquisition, so leads and sales come in without constant manual effort. And finally, you reinvest into growth, whether that's better tools, ads, or education. And here's the paradox: to make $10,000 a month, you need to stop chasing money and start chasing mastery. Mastery in one skill, copywriting, marketing, storytelling, sales, design, AI, automation, will make you untouchable in the market. While others hop from one shiny object to another, you'll be quietly building the skill stack that prints income on command. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: fear. Fear of failing, fear of wasting time, fear of looking stupid. Fear is what keeps you working for someone else's dream. But every person earning $10,000 a month once stood exactly where you are now: uncertain, doubtful, afraid. The difference is they acted despite it. They moved forward, even when they didn't have everything figured out. You might be thinking, that's easier said than done. And you're right. But the truth is, it's easier than staying broke. It's easier than regretting another year gone by, wondering what could have happened if you started. The smartest path isn't always the easiest, but it's always worth it. Now, as we continue this journey, I want you to visualize something. 12 months from now, it's October 2026. You're sitting in front of your laptop, looking at your income dashboard. It shows 10,024, not from a miracle, not from luck, but from a system you built, from discipline, strategy, and vision. You'll smile, not because of the money itself, but because of what it represents: freedom, control, choice, the ability to live on your own terms. But the real question isn't if it's possible. It's whether you'll do what it takes to make it inevitable. Because the next step of this journey reveals the truth that most people never discover. The one thing that separates those who hit $10,000 a month from those who keep dreaming about it. So let me ask you, are you ready to learn the hidden principle that turns effort into exponential income?